up, guys? Welcome back to the Chop Shop. It's gonna be a super short episode. Just a little bit excited. So I got the new water pump, belt, thermostat all installed, as well as cleaned up the engine bay pretty well. And we actually got the fuel tank and everything fully installed. So for the first time since, to my knowledge, 2009, we're gonna take this thing out on the streets, just around the neighborhood, because it's still not titled, registered, insured. But we're gonna go drive this pig. But the feeling's just too strong. Make me. Hey. Oh. Y'all, I still need ball joints, but my fuel system and cooling system is in. We're driving the S10. Hopefully it doesn't kill me. We got no floors. We got ball joints that dangle, that are only bolted in by a thread or two. We got doors that don't close all the way. But since 2009, this truck is on the road. First time since 2009. What you know about that? How cool is that? It's hot in here too. It's like, dude, it's hot today in general. And I got no floors, so all this heat is just coming up in here. So stupid. Dude, it doesn't ride bad at all, considering there's no cab mounts in it. Like, the front of the cab is literally being held on by like the fenders and core support, I guess. This side kind of has one. That one has nothing. I'm staring at the floor. There's no cab there at all. Put this away before I get in trouble, because it's not insured or nothing. This thing is so stupid.